Akitas are a beautiful and majestic breed of dogs that require regular grooming to keep them healthy and looking their best. In this article, we will discuss some essential grooming tips and tricks for Akita owners to ensure that their beloved pets are well taken care of. 1. Understanding the Akita coat. One of the most distinctive features of the Akita breed is their thick double coat. This coat consists of a dense undercoat and a longer, coarser outer coat. The purpose of this double coat is to provide insulation and protection for the dog. However, it also means that Akitas shed heavily, especially during seasonal changes. Understanding the characteristics of their coat is essential in knowing how to groom them efficiently. 2. Regular brushing. Regular brushing is essential for maintaining a healthy coat on your Akita. It helps to remove loose fur, prevent matting, and distribute natural oils throughout the coat, keeping it shiny and healthy. Use a high-quality brush with firm bristles to penetrate the dense coat, and make sure to brush all the way down to the skin. Aim for a minimum of 2 to 3 brushings a week, but increase the frequency during shedding seasons. 3. Bathing. Bathing your Akita should be done when necessary, typically every 6 to 8 weeks. Overbathing can strip the coat of its natural oils, which can lead to dryness and skin problems. Use a gentle dog shampoo formulated for double-coated breeds and rinse thoroughly to avoid any residue. Akitas tend to be clean by nature and have low odor, so excessive bathing is unnecessary. 4. Nail care. Regular nail care is essential for Akitas, as their nails can grow quite long and become uncomfortable for them. Trim their nails every 2 to 3 weeks, ensuring not to cut too close to the quick. If you're uncertain about how to do this, consult a professional groomer or your veterinarian for guidance. Long nails can be painful for your Akita and may cause difficulties in walking. 5. Dental hygiene. Just like humans, Akitas require regular dental care to maintain their oral health. Brushing your dog's teeth is the gold standard for preventing dental issues. Aim to brush their teeth 2 to 3 times a week using a dog-specific toothbrush and toothpaste. Additionally, providing dental chews and toys can help remove plaque and tartar buildup. 6. Ear cleaning. Akitas have naturally erect ears, which can sometimes trap moisture, leading to ear infections. Regularly check and clean your dog's ears to prevent any problems. Use a dog-specific ear cleaner and gently wipe the outer part of the ear with a cotton ball or soft cloth. Avoid inserting anything deep into the ear canal to prevent injury. 7. Professional grooming. While regular grooming at home is essential, it's also recommended to schedule professional grooming sessions for your Akita. A professional groomer will have the experience and tools necessary to provide a thorough grooming experience, ensuring that your dog's coat, nails, and hygiene are properly taken care of. 8. Exercise and mental stimulation. It's important to remember that grooming is not just about physical care, but also about the overall well-being of your Akita. Regular exercise and mental stimulation are crucial for maintaining a happy and healthy dog. A tired and content Akita will be more cooperative during grooming sessions, making the entire process much easier for both you and your pet. In conclusion, caring for your Akita's grooming needs is a crucial aspect of responsible dog ownership. By understanding their unique coat, brushing regularly, providing necessary dental and ear care, and seeking professional grooming assistance when needed, you can ensure that your Akita remains healthy, comfortable, and looking their best. Remember to approach grooming as a bonding experience with your dog, offering love and patience throughout the process. With proper care, your Akita can thrive and bring joy to your life.